Get ready to roll into some fun. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a big, cool truck that's perfect for carrying all sorts of things. Trucks are powerful vehicles that you see on the road every day, and now you can create one of your very own. Whether you like dump trucks, delivery trucks, or just big trucks in general, this step-by-step guide will show you how to draw a truck that's both easy and exciting. So, grab your drawing tools and let's hit the road to some awesome truck drawing fun.